Namaste, I am Dr. Pramod, founder of PharmaGuru. In this session, I will teach you LCMS introduction, applications and limitations. LCMS or liquid chromatography mass spectrophotometry is the integration of two systems, HPLC and MS through an LC-MS interface. Mathematically, we can write LC-MS is the sum of LC and MS, where LC represents HPLC and MS represents mass spectrophotometer. The function of LC is to separate different analytes from the sample mixture. See how two analytes are separated from a sample mixture. And the function of MS is to identify the mass of each separated analytes. LC-MS flow diagram. LC represents HPLC. It is responsible to separate each components from the sample mixture. It is very important for better separation. You can use many columns with different column chemistry. You can use many mobile phase with different solvent composition. HPLC contains several components like pump, detector, HPLC column, etc. MS represents mass spectrophotometer. It provides mass of the separated analytes. It contains several components like ionization chamber, mass analyzer and detector, etc. This is the basic mechanism of the LCMS. If you want to learn more about the HPLC, please visit HPLC complete course playlist. If you want to learn more about LCMS, continue with the LCMS course playlist. Application of LCMS. It is used for identification of the unknown impurities in the reaction mixture, in process samples, and in final APIs or dosage form. Mass determination of analytes, structure elucidation of unknown impurities in reaction mixture or in any pharmaceuticals. Quantitative analysis like content of genotoxic impurities or nitrosamine impurities in APIs or in dosage forms. Qualitative analysis like identification test and purity test. Bioequivalence studies, identification of degradation impurities during forced degradation studies, identification and quantification of drug metabolites to check peak homogeneity or peak purity of the peak in the specificity test in analytical method validation. If peak is pure means there is only one peak, then single mass is observed in the mass spectrum. If any merging is there in the peak, then multiple masses are observed in the mass spectrum. Ketoenol tautomerization in pharmaceuticals like pioglitazone. Limitations of LCMS. Some compounds like phenol do not give fragmentation pattern in mass, therefore it is difficult to perform the structure elucidation. Costly instrument and it is impossible to afford by small industries. It needs knowledge of organic chemistry, analytical chemistry and HPLC. Analysis needs a lot of time. This is all about this lecture. For any question related to this lecture or PharmaGuru course, you may write at this email or you may contact at this phone number. Thank you. Let us see you in the next session.